Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have another spoiler for the 2020 BoxyCharm boxes. I don't know exactly what box, and this was a spoiler that we found, like hidden in one of Joe's videos. It's been a while ago, but we got a hint, so I'm about to show y'all what it is. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also turn your bell on. That way you don't miss no more of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track, do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were confirmed BoxyCharm base spoilers for January. Congratulations, Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. They say thumbs up. Well, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, this was a spoiler that was found, man, it's been a while ago. It's been a couple of months ago, I believe, that this was hidden in one of Joe's videos, or else he was using it to clean one of his workers' faces or something. It was something crazy. But we ain't heard nothing else about it. And in the last video that I put up, which was the confirmed spoilers for January for the BoxyCharm base box, in that clip I showed to Joe, at the end of that clip, you see somebody walking in from this company. And I'm going to go ahead and show y'all that clip in just a minute, but I want to show you what it is first. If you remember, it was this product right here, the PMD Beauty, the facial cleansing device. Now, this is priced at $99 at Ulta. And again, I don't know if none of this is being confirmed yet, so, but we do know that there is going to be PMD Beauty in the future boxes. So let me go ahead and show you the clip, y'all.
Say hi.
Hi.
Where are you from? Tell them the name of your company.
PMD Beauty.
Awesome. So they'll see your product in the box very soon, right?
Hopefully.
Awesome. Hi, guys. Shh, don't say nothing.
So tell me what y'all think. Let me know down in the comments section. And of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Jenny Deskins. Jenny says, I love you. I feel so at home from Horse Cave, Kentucky, but I'm in Ohio. Well, I'm not familiar with that, but we're neighbors nonetheless, especially if you're in Ohio. And I really appreciate your comment, Jenny. I appreciate all your support, honey. Thank you so much, and I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another spoiler, you won't miss another video of mine. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you want to put a face to the voice, go check them out, guys. And also, when you get to the end of this video, there's going to be 3 little things up. One's going to show my face. Go ahead and punch that son of a gun right there. That way that'll subscribe you to my channel. And then the other 2 are other videos y'all could go watch. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.